How to fix can't zoom in or out in this mode problem. Firstly, open camera on your device. Now try to zoom in or out here. As you can see, in my device it's working properly. But if you are not able to zoom in or out in your camera, then follow these steps to resolve this issue. Go back to your home page and tap and hold on the camera app. After that, click on the eye icon at the top right corner. On this app info interface, scroll down and click on storage. Inside storage at the bottom, you should see two options, clear data and clear cache. Click on clear cache at the bottom right corner. After doing that, go back to your home page and again open the camera app. Once you open your camera app, you will see this 4-dot icon. Click on that and from here you can adjust different settings. Now check once if the problem has been solved or not. If the problem hasn't been solved yet, then try playing with the megapixel. At the top right corner, you will see 12M. Click on 12M once to make it 108M. In 108M, you will not have 0.6x. You can try switching between 12M and 108M to see if that helps. After doing this much, restart your device and your problem should be fixed. That's all for today. Thank you.